Here are 3 things to keep in mind when you're creating your resume. The first is to highlight any of your experiences. If you don't have enough, don't worry, just work with what you have. As a fresh graduate, you may also have relevant coursework such as projects or a dissertation that could be relevant to some of your technical job applications. The second is to adjust your resume for your job applications. Whenever you're applying for jobs, focus on what the job description and the required skills list include. If you have these skills, make sure you're including it into your resume. It is difficult to include a large list of skills into just one resume. That's why you should get into the habit of adjusting your skills list on your resume for different applications. The third and most important thing is don't lie. Please, please, please don't lie on your resume. It's not going to do you any good. Even if you're just adding skills because it's something that you want to learn, don't do that. Your resume should only include the experiences, the education, and the skills that you already have right now. Just keep these 3 points in mind and you're going to have a really, really good resume. And if you're looking for advice on how to format your resume, you can look at our How to Format Your Resume Correctly video that is also in this playlist as well as the description below.